the year 2020 has gone. And I'm sure you would definitely like to forget the year for more than one reason. And as you enter into the new year 2021 with a lot of hope, enthusiasm, new dreams, the unfulfilled plans which the 2020 made the mess of, there is something which you need to take your life to the whole new level, to accelerate your journey and to achieve all the success and happiness which you always had planned for the last year 2020. Hi, this is Dr. Sujit Pardeshi, and I'm going to offer you a very powerful gift to yourself. And the gift is nothing but the life transforming course which I conduct called Life Excel. Life Excel, a very powerful and a very popular course, conducting since last 4 years and has transformed hundreds of lives, not only professionally, but financially, personally, at the family and the social level as well. The Life Excel is a year-long course of 11 days. And these 11 days are divided into 4 modules. The first module is a 3-day module called Personal Excel. You will definitely agree that 2020 was not just the year of pandemic medically, but it was definitely the roller coaster ride emotionally as well. And those who were stronger could make it better. Those who were weaker could not survive, or even if they did, there was a lot of frustration, a lot of anxiety, nervousness, and whatnot. And that's the reason you need to work on your personal self all the time. To break your old mental patterns which are stopping you to go to the next level, to recreate the new mental patterns which will put you in the new orbit. You need to work on your self-belief, work on your goals, work on your SWOT analysis, work on your time management. You need to work on your self-esteem, your belief system, and whatnot. And all this is covered in Personal Excel. It's a very powerful 3-day module which will transform your life completely. You will no longer remain same after going through Personal Excel. The Personal Excel will be 1 day a month in the month of Jan, February and March. The good news is it's going to be online and you can attend it from your home or office, and that's the powerful part of it. So don't miss the opportunity to jump into Life Excel, because Personal Excel will really transform you completely. The second 3-day module of Life Excel is Wealth Excel. It's a weekend module from Friday to Sunday, which will be conducted in the month of May or June. Again, Wealth Excel will also be online. I received so many phone calls and messages from our previous participants that it was only because of the Wealth Excel learnings they could survive the lockdown and the pandemic financially. The kind of financial planning, the kind of contingency fund, the retirement planning, the kind of investments, the SIPs, the stock market growth they saw and they get benefited from happened only because of Wealth Excel. Wealth Excel covers not only your basic financial planning and how to be shock proof when it comes to money, but it also covers the retirement planning, how to grow your money, right from the basics of assets and liabilities to the kind of insurances you need to have, to the kind of insurances and investments you need to make in real estate, in stock market, commodities, and everywhere. A very powerful Wealth Excel which will help not only to protect your wealth but also to grow it to the new level. The third 3-day module of the Life Excel 2021 is Practice Excel. The Practice Excel is going to focus on every aspect of your practice, right from the branding, online marketing, offline marketing, to all the soft skills about how to communicate with your patients, your staff, how to present things, the management skill, the leadership skill, the team building skill, the negotiation skill, how to handle the price objection, how to decide your treatment prices. Every aspect of medical and dental practice, every management aspect of the practice is covered in Practice Excel. The 3 days and your practice will never remain the same afterwards. This module will be online or offline depending upon how the pandemic and the vaccines shape up next year. This module will be somewhere around the month of September. And toward the end of the year, we have a very special 2-day module called Family Excel. You cannot grow professionally unless you have very strong and very good relationships and bonding with yourself, your family members, your kids, your parents and spouse. A human life is incomplete without maintaining a wonderful balance between yourself, your finances, your family, your profession, and society. Life Excel is the holistic course which covers every aspect of your life. I have seen people changing upside down. I have seen people getting transformed. They're getting hundreds of breakthroughs like anything. An imaginable course with unimaginable benefits. So this is the finest thing. This is the best gift you can give to yourself as you approach and take this new year 2021 with all the optimism, all the plans, dreams and enthusiasm. I invite you to join this course and make this one of the best investments of your life in every sphere of your life. I wish you all the very best. Happy New Year and see you in Life Excel. Thank you.